Here we see a very upset Kelly enter the bar after having a fight with her boyfriend.
Hi, Amaretto sour, please. Thanks.
Hey, cutie, why you looking so sad? Somebody as pretty as you should be smiling.
My boyfriend, he's a jerk, and I'm trying to avoid him. He might be following me.
Well, I tell you what, why don't you come sit at the table with me and my friends? And if your little boyfriend show up, we'll take care of it.
You're so sweet and cute, big and strong. I love to come sit with you. Maybe we can get to know each other better.
All right, let's go.
Now, what Kelly failed to mention to her new friends inside is that her boyfriend is none other than Jamal Robinson, wide receiver for the local professional football team. And he was not alone. Jamal was with two of his teammates.
Hey, Jamal. Ain't that your girl over there? Right there, with that dude.
Yeah. I can't believe this girl. What's this? I can't believe you hooked up with this chump.
He's no chump. This is Louis,
Louis.
and he's a real man. I'm with him now.
Wait a minute. Your boyfriend, Jamal Robinson? That's right. And I'm disrespected, so now we're going to handle this like some men.
That's right, you chose the wrong girl to mess with.
Don't worry, Louis. Me and Danny got your back. Danny? Hey, Jamal. Before you and your boys whoop up on Louis, can I get your autograph? Okay, maybe after you're done.
There's something about two men fighting over me that gets me so excited.
Okay, we're going to settle this the old-fashioned way. Man to man. Winner gets the girl. Okay, let's do this.
Oh, shizzle, it's about to go down.
I can't believe this.
Go.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Go.
Yes! Oh, come on, man. That's 2 out of 3. No.
Break.
Oh, please.
Hand me that paper. Even though things did not play out as expected, tonight was not a complete loss. As you see, Jamal and his friends found new companions in Louis and his buddies. And Kelly? Well, just ask her yourself.
I was confused and upset. But at the end of the night, I found myself a real man.
I think I love you, and what am I so afraid of? I'm afraid that I'm not sure of a love there is no cure for.